Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in mineral grey. You'll also see around the car we fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. We've also added the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are also presented in the gloss black, which make this car look very nice indeed. At the front of the car, you'll be able to see it's a 2017 17 plate, and all the way around this vehicle is exquisitely presented and has been very well kept. Down the side of the car, it's got the gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on for a closer glance at the coral red Dakota leather, which you may already be able to see through the windows there. The front two seats come with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, and again you'll be able to see just how nicely that interior is in terms of its condition, and of course how well it matches with the exterior colour. It's the 8-speed sports automatic in this vehicle, combined with that lovely 2-litre diesel up front. Moving on for the rear seats, where you'll find the Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again you'll be able to see how nicely presented everything is in there. It looks like even no one's ever sat in the rear seats on this car. Again, darkened M Sport headlining, all in very nice condition, and again we'll show you those very striking alloy wheels before we head to the rear. At the rear of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser for this Gran Coupe. You also, of course, get that very nice and very handy automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals the exceptionally large boot space. You also have the split folding seat option, along with your genuine BMW floor mats, which will, of course, also accompany the car. At the other side, again, showing you off how nicely presented this car is. And again, the mineral grey and coral red is certainly one of the most popular colour combinations we are currently able to offer here at Your Next Car, along with one of the most popular wheel combinations. Heading on inside, we'll go over yet more special features of this very nice car. Once we're sat inside, I'll start it up and we're greeted by that lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. Whilst it's up, we'll go and have a look at the vehicle service information and service requirements. Next service is not due for 15,000 miles, and this is again a very low mileage example of a Gran Coupe. It has covered just over 21,000 miles, or 21,000 miles and 100 exactly. So that means it's only just had to have technically its first service on mileage. And as you can see there, it has had that said service at BMW, making us have a full BMW service history with this vehicle. Going through and have a look at other screens, we've got the professional wide navigation screen up there, along with real-time traffic updates, keeping you on that fastest route possible. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, AUX and that lovely music collection function. Down here you find your dual climate control, along with the switches for the heated seats, and as I mentioned, that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the lovely flappy pedals, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on a multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. As always, I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Relevant contact information can of course be found in the description. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, guys, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Take care, goodbye.